Bernd Leno won't start for Arsenal anytime soon, says David Seaman as ex-keeper gives Petr Cech his backing. David Seaman has told Bernd Leno he must remain patient and bide his time while backing Petr Cech to keep his place in goal for Arsenal. Unai Emery splashed out £19 million to sign the German shot-stopper from Bayer Leverkusen this summer, but he is yet to make an appearance this season. Instead, Emery has selected Cech ahead of him, with mixed results as the keeper has struggled to adapt to the Spaniards' play-out-from-the-back style. Despite this, he hasn't been woeful with his hands, and overlooking the odd hiccup has given Emery no reason to drop him for Leno. Just because he, Leno, cost a lot of money does not mean he goes straight into the team. He has to be patient, Seaman explained. Petr Cech has done nothing wrong in goal. Okay, so he is adjusting to playing with the ball from the box. But he has been able to contribute to the team and has done nothing to cause him to be left out. The former Arsenal goalkeeper added, this could be a learning curve for him. You have to be patient in football, I know. I had to be in the past when I was playing. Leno has to bide his time. Martin Keown recently spoke out on Arsenal's goalkeeping situation in his Daily Mail column. The former Gunners centre-back said, if you look at the statistics for goalkeepers in Europe, Leno excels in his distribution but is not the best when it comes to the shots he is expected to stop. The German was not in their World Cup squad and hasn't been called up for this international break. How good is he? We're not too sure yet,